Directorate of Climate Change, Environment and Climate Change, Manipur Pollution Control Board, and Kangleipak Women Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited jointly conducted a drive-come awareness campaign against single-use plastic banned in and around Khurai, Lamlong, Kaithil. During the drive, officials of the government departments and Imphal East ex-Adhaksha Khetri Tama appealed all to cooperate in the effort to stop using single-use plastic while highlighting its adverse impacts. It may be mentioned that Manipur government enforced ban on selling and using of SUP, single-use plastic, since April 15 this year.
Uses a market Makatana Chataduna Labasi, Hokiba, Marski Tankun Mathoida, Chief Secretary in the Preside Torga, Homkiba, decision Lokiba Matung in the Manipuragi enforcement drive, Massi single use plastic, Leb Nanabagi, drive Sataba Hoki, Akogi, Belly district, I am but the Koberta Okre, Masida Manipur Pollution Control Board, Amadi, Director of Environment and Climate Change, Loina Marueva Market Singda, Environment Compensation, Levaitoba, Adumba Sataki, Adugi Makasatarapoina, Akona Market Singida, Moksu Masigi drive, Mas alternate to single-use plastic asi akoina Kangleipak Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited akoigi MSR LM gi makhada leiba moigi makhada leiba self-help group singa tie-up toraga hairiba akoi paper bag amadi akoigi phina yumda sinadana leiriba phi sing asidagi akoina reuse amaga hana toholaga akoigi commuter singda potchaiba leiba lakpa khotpa mayam sing sida akoina awareness oina as well as drive oina moina plastic na puraga lawpa khaw singa do akoina phina onthok piraga Miam the awareness drive si makha dum khoi keri tawraga satharakpani
koi single use plastic se si ahan bagi oina koi Manipur da ban tawnana ba na konarak ko si masi ahan ba khongtang natte yamna ngalingai matam dagi koi gi Manipur da natana India gi mafam kuding makta su masi khongtang je koi chatadno lai masi khongtang se mai pak na bagi da makta directorate na amadi Manipur Pollution Control Board na hadaki mai pak ta baya de haidana grassroots lai riba self group mayam sing se masi bu Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission gi makha da mobilize torok ko se masi nai koi chungchoi choi dana koi mai pak kani haibagi dum bachet pathaja badu lai